Hello everyone and welcome to B-Link Talk Show. I am teacher Renee and today we have a special guest. How are you today?
I'm good.
Very good. What's your name?
My name is Mom.
Welcome to the B-Link Talk Show. So are we talking about your family today?
Yes,
Okay, so tell me about your family. Is it big or small?
it is small.
Okay, how many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
They are father, mother, brother, and me.
Okay, now let's talk about your mother. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Nguyễn Hằng.
And how old is she?
She is
How old is she? 30, 36, 37,
65.
35? Okay, and what job does she do? Does she work in an office? Is she a doctor, a teacher? What job does she do? Okay, you can think about it, yeah? Tell me about your father. What is your father's name? How old is he? What job does he do?
My brother's name is Trần My father,
What job does he do?
my father,
That's okay. If you don't know, it's okay. How old is he? He is
40.
okay. And did you say you have a brother or a sister?
Brother,
A brother. How old is your brother?
my brother is 10 years old.
Okay. Do you like to play games with your brother? Do you play games with your brother? Or do you watch TV with your brother?
I watch TV with a brother.
You like to watch TV. Okay. Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Hanoi.
Yes, and do you live in this neighborhood in Dai Tan? Or do you live in Hua? Or in Ding Dam? Where do you live?
I live in Vietnam.
Okay, that's okay, good. Give me a high five. Thank you. And goodbye.
My teacher.
Ask him where does he live?